Hi there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to What's She Up To Now, day 815, 850 days documenting the journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Something I've been encouraging people to do for a couple of years now, right along with me, and I'm continuing to help people do now more than ever. I've been saying for a long time it's important, and I learned and discovered and believed that it's always important to have at least an online component to your business, and the COVID-19 just really brings that home and reminds us how important it is to be flexible and ever-changing and ever moving forward with our businesses. And one of the ways that we're going to see that explode going forward is businesses. We're going to be doing a lot more business online. If we thought that the internet was a fad or anything, surprise, here to stay in a really big way. I think we're going to see online and remote work become a real, it already is a real thing, but it's going to become the wave of the future. We're going to see self-learning and people being self-taught and going out and building their own personal development growth plans online and getting the information that they need, and just the information they need. I think you're going to see that college education and education as a whole is going to change dramatically, and it's changing now, and it will never go back to the way it was. I think you're going to see a lot of industries emerge that we never thought would be important, that are going to become very, very important. I think from my own personal standpoint, and something that I love to see, is you're going to see a lot more manufacturing come back to the United States and back to America. Manufacturing has always been a excuse me, superpower and backbone of this country, and as more and more manufacturing was outsourced for various economic reasons and stuff, let's just say stuff, I think it has undermined a lot of the aspects of our country and of our workforce and yada, yada, yada. It impacts everything. But I think you're going to see a lot of that come back. And I'm going to cough again. I haven't had enough coffee yet today. I'm going to admit it. So that's just on a little aside. Not really what I want to talk about today. Today, the Supersize Your Business post was about the hot seat, being on the hot seat, that idiom, on the hot seat. And Get Up and Go, day 22 already of our 30-day challenge, was about our mindset and our mind and having an abundance mindset. I'm also participating in the Rise Up Challenge, so I did my homework for that, and we were talking about morning routines, how to put together your expertise and create your own course. Amy Potterfield shared that with people yesterday. And then our energy, the importance of our energy and how we manage our own energy. All topics that I could probably talk on for an entire day. But I'm not going to, because this is just keeping track and keeping a journal of what I'm doing as I am building my online businesses. My original goal was to create the same success online as I determined and described success online that I had offline. And I have not yet achieved that. I had some pretty incredible accomplishments offline, in the offline world, and it's taking me longer than I had ever anticipated to duplicate it in the online world. But I'm making progress toward it, and that's what matters. It's things I needed to learn. It's lessons that I never had, and experiences I've never had before that I'm having online, that had I not decided to come online, I would never have had. What else is going on? Granddaughter's going to be here any minute, which is why I'm trying to talk kind of quickly. We could talk about the importance of a morning routine. I guess I'd like to know in the comments below, what would you like me to share with respect to my journey? Would you like me to share what I do, how I set things up, specific things that I do in my online world? I'm doing a workshop this week with some gentlemen to help them really nail and get their online presence up fast. They want me to actually walk them through it step by step. Is that the kind of thing that you would like to see and would like me to share? Do you want to know more about the content that I create, how I create it, how I come up with the topics and ideas for that content? Do you want to know how I do challenges, why I do challenges, why challenges are so important to me? Challenges are pretty much my life, probably because I've had to face so many of them throughout my life. So not only am I leading a challenge, the Get Up and Go challenge right now, but I'm participating in 3 different challenges. One is read 30 books in 30 days, which for a legally blind woman is extremely challenging. I'm not going to lie. That one is pushing my physical abilities to the limit right now. I'm also doing the Rise Up Challenge, which they've extended to the 27th now. It was only going to be a 20-day challenge, and now it's going to be a 23-day challenge. I think they wanted another Super Sunday in there because their Sundays, I wasn't going to participate in the Sundays, but they've ended up being really, really good, and I'm glad I participated in them. What else? Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Launch something. Launch your expertise, maybe it is. Isn't that sad that I don't know the name of it? But there's only been one day, and I'm watching that one because it's what I teach people already, but it's focused 100% online. So I'm just going through that one, and I'll participate in it because when I commit to something, I like to participate in it. But they're having contests and all the kinds of stuff that I'm not participating in because it's not my area of focus and emphasis right now, but I like to see how other people do it. And this is their first free challenge. They've always done paid challenges before. And I think what they're finding, which I've known all along, is that if you start out with a free challenge, you get a lot more people involved in it, and it's a lot more successful. And I think that they're going to find that going forward, that's what they'll do from now on. That's it. If I can help you in any way, ask in the comments below. We're looking to be resourceful these days, and if I can be a resource for you, or a link or a go-between or a matchmaker in terms of what you need next, just ask in the comments below. Have an amazing day, and I will, of course, see you tomorrow. Bye.